Hi, I'm Mackensi Emory from Team Paul Mitchell and Century Martial Arts, and here's some tips for an aerial. Here's what it looks like. All right, for an aerial, you want to start off with the spin. All right, sometimes this makes you a little bit dizzy, but it's okay because for when you transition into a combo, the spin before it is definitely going to help you. All right, so from the front, we're going to take our left leg, step around to the back. With our right, step back here, and our bodies are going to be facing the side wall. All right, from here, this is the most common mistake people make. From here, we want to dip like a butterfly, but that's wrong. All right, so from here, instead of going down and dipping your head, we're going to bring it from the corner. You can even point with your right hand, the hand that's up by your head, to get you in the right direction and draw a diagonal line down to your right knee. All right, that's the most important part, to go from here, diagonal, all the way across. This is going to bring your head down to your knee to get your feet to invert and go over the top. All right, otherwise, you're just going to go around the side, making it a butterfly kick. All right, and we want two separate moves. So from here, our head goes down to our knee, all right, just like I'm kissing it. Then we do our butterfly drill, all right? Then we go from our back leg is going to kick up. I'm looking at the ground. Not only am I looking at the ground, I'm looking right underneath me, okay? A lot of times when I say look at the ground, I could be looking at the ground all the way over there, but my head will be up like this, all right? So when you look at the ground, tuck your chin, look right underneath your foot. All right, so from here, I'm looking at my foot, chin's tucked, my left leg is gonna shoot up, I'm gonna switch my feet, stand up with the guarding stance up, just like this, all right? As you kick this leg over, this left leg, kick it as hard as you can. That's gonna drive your feet to go around in a nice rainbow shape all the way around, all right? So one more time, this is an aerial. Those are some tips for the aerial. Hope you enjoyed. I'm Mackensi Emory.